Hello, grade 9 students. Proceed to the triangle midsegment theorem, or in other words, midline. Midsegment can also be named as midline. So for that, let's have a warm up. Use points A 2, B 12, and C 4, 8 for exercises 1 to 5. Find x and y, the midpoints of AC and CB. That's midpoint of AC. We have 2, 5, 2, 5, and 2, 5, 8, 5, 2, 5, 8, 5. So find xy. Yan. Using the distance formula naman yun. So find AB, distance formula again. And then solving for the slope of AB, we have 0. Yes. Solving for the slope of xy here. And what is the slope of the line parallel to 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. So this is a topic in analytic geometry involving the slope, distance formula, and finding the equation of a straight line. Okay, just send your answer in my messenger, PM, private message. Thank you. So for the objective for this topic, okay, short discussion on triangle midsegment theorem. Prove and use properties of triangle midsegments. So a midsegment of a triangle is a segment that joins the midpoints of two sides of the triangle. Every triangle has 3 midsegments, which form the midsegment triangle. So point X, the midpoint of PQ, Y is the midpoint of QR, and Z is the midpoint of PR. So therefore, YZ is the midpoint, is a midsegment. XY is also a midsegment. XZ is also a midsegment. And therefore, triangle XYZ is called a midsegment triangle. Yeah. Okay. The relationship shown in example 1 is true for the 3 midsegments of every triangle. A midsegment of a triangle is parallel to a side of a triangle, and its length is half the length of the side. So dito, the length of DE. Okay, point D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, D is what we call the midline or the midsegment of the triangle ABC. It is parallel to side AC, and the length of DE is 1/2 the length of AC. Yeah. DE is equal to 1/2 AC. Yeah. For example, AC is 10. What is the length of DE? 5. Yeah, 1/2 of 10. Okay, find each measure BD. What is the length of BD? If A is 17, 1/2 of 17. Okay, BD is 1/2 AE, one midsegment theorem. 1/2 of 17 is 8.5. 8.5 is the length of BD. About this, find each measure. Measure of angle CBD. Ayan, how do you solve that? Okay, DF is parallel to CA, of course. Alternate interior angles theorem. Angle CBD is congruent to angle BDF. Yes, alternate interior angles are congruent. Substitute 26 degrees for measure of angle BDF. Angle CBD is 26 degrees also. Yes, 26 degrees yung angle, measure of angle CBD. The positions of the longest and shortest sides of a triangle are related to the positions of the largest and the smallest angles. Theorem. If two sides of a triangle are not congruent, then the larger angle is opposite the longer side. And if two angles of a triangle are not congruent, then the longer side is opposite the larger angle. Yes. So we have here a triangle FGH with the sides 19.6, 17.2, and 20.4. Write the angles in order from smallest to largest. Of course, the smallest is the opposite of 17.2, F. Next is H, angle H, then angle G. F, angle F, angle H, angle G. Okay, smallest angle is angle F. Longest is angle G. Second longest is angle H. So the angles from smallest to largest are angle F, angle H, and angle G. Write the sides in order from shortest to longest. So this is 60, that's 72 degrees, yung angle Q. Angle P, 60 degrees. This is, what's the sum of that? 132. Therefore, 48 yung angle R. So, pag 48 yan, that means that will make PQ as the shortest side. So, PQ is the shortest side. Longest side is PR. PQ is the shortest side. PR is the longest side. So, in order from shortest to longest, we have PQ, QR, and PR. Segment PR. So, a triangle is formed by 3 segments, but not every set of 3 segments can form a triangle. Segments with length 7, 4, and 4 can form a triangle. Segments with length 7, 3, and 3 cannot form a triangle. Why? So a certain relationship must exist among the lengths of 3 segments in order for them to form a triangle. The sum of any two side lengths of a triangle is greater than the third side length. Tell whether a triangle can have the sides with given length 7, 10, 9. Okay, 7 plus 10 is 17. Is it greater than the third side? No. So 7, 10, 19 cannot be the sides of a triangle. Okay, dapat greater than, not even equal. No? The length of 2 sides of a triangle are 8 inches and 13 inches. Find the range of the possible length of the third side. So, ano yan? Paano? So, dapat 8 plus 13. 21. 13 plus 8, 21. So, dapat the range should be ano, 5, between 5 and 21. Diba? From 5 to 21. Between 5 and 21 dapat 6. Pero pag 21, between 5 and 21. Between 5 inches and 21 inches. Hindi pwedeng 5, hindi pwedeng 13 kasi mag-equal na. So, assignment, page 336, 11 to 26. That ends our short discussion on the mid-segment theorem on a triangle. Goodbye.